मोहम्मद एहसान
A'udhu billahi as-sameel alim minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Have a look at the clock. It's 3, I think, no?
Dear spiritual sons and daughters, during our today's 2-hour session, we are going to listen to the creator of the IELTS success story in order to not only entertain us but broaden our vision. We shall help us all in creating our own stories in the days to come, inshallah. Who's the creator I'm talking about?
A few weeks ago, an embodiment of genius, an embodiment of hard work, an embodiment of no smart work, an embodiment of honesty and so on joined me. He spent some time over here with me. I'm sure some of you are familiar with the man. I'm not going to tell you about that his educational background,
His strong educational backgrounds and the factors
which finally led him to success, a remarkable success, the success we are going to celebrate today. He will be enlightening us about each and every point. What's the intention behind all this enlightenment? First, that I want to keep the record of this great talent, so that the coming generation, so that the coming aspirants can get motivated, they can get ideas from him in order to ensure their respective successes. First, and second is that I want myself to get enlightened, because there are so many curiosities in my mind regarding this great mind, that the person like me having very simple background, having very simple background, and I mean the rural area, but he left that area, he studied over there in some
prestigious educational
institutions, which are situated over there in the urban societies.
No, one of the questions, how could he be able to
groom himself? What are the factors which finally led him to this great success? So I'm not going to take more time. So I request my beloved son, Mr. Ehsan, to please come at the dais, and enlighten us about the factors which finally led you to achieve this remarkable success, the success we all are proud of. Please.
Thank you very much, sir, and I am quite humbled to hear these words from you. My name is Mohammad Ehsan, and basically belong to Tokri, a very backward area in a district of Kushab. And
वतन चुक मुहारा उजड़ी बस्ती यारो नजरी आवे कंड कीती जद यारा